Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel, and in this video I'll show you how to fix no audio output device install in Windows 10 problem. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. So let's start our video. So first of all, go to settings, and after that go to Windows Update section. Now open Troubleshoot and click on playing audio. After that, run the troubleshoot. So it may take some time. So now after completing troubleshooting, click on next and go back to home screen. Now go to start menu and open services tab. So follow every step as I am showing you in the video.